All right, question of the day. How do I get started on YouTube? Not the technical aspect, not even trying to find your niche. How do you start recording? Because it's just so weird to be talking to yourself on camera. I'm going to tell you this one little secret that's going to make it super easy to do it. You press the record button. Kid you not. My first videos were terrible. They're so bad. Uh, Everyone's bad. Your first year on YouTube is a throwaway year. All right. It's just you learning how to do stuff. There's going to be lots of ums and ahs and going how to edit and stuff. I remember looking to see if there was a way in my video editor for it to automatically remove pauses and ums. And there isn't. There is now. There's an AI program you can sign up for that will do exactly that. It is wild what it will do. But that said, you don't need that, all right? You just need practice. You just have to keep doing it and keep doing it, keep doing it. Believe it or not, in school, back when I was a little kid, I was terrified of speaking in front of class. It absolutely scared the snot out of me. And the way I got over it was by volunteering every time to speak in front of class. I remember being young and somebody said, you got to face your fears. I went, okay, you got to face your fears. So I went up and I got in front of class and I got better at it. And I got better at it and I got better at it. And that's how you do it. You just put yourself out there and you just start doing it. There is no secret sauce. And there's the whole thing like, hey, just talk like you're talking to a friend. And that actually does help a lot of people. All right. Imagine the camera is your friend. Don't imagine the camera is a camera. All right. One thing that works for me that's really nice is I use a teleprompter. And when it's not, I don't use scripts. And what it's showing me right now is it's showing me exactly what you're seeing. It is a monitor view of my camera. So I'm seeing myself talk to you. So I know exactly what I look like when I hold my hand up, when I tip my hat, anything I do, I know exactly what it looks like because I'm seeing it on screen right then. And I can kind of pretend it's another person that I'm talking to. And I know then that I'm saying things the way I want to say it. I'm presenting the way I want to present. And I can give that whole idea of, well, I'm just explaining it to this little dude there on the screen. Just learn to speak casually. A lot of people, my son, I think he was 13 the first time he tried to make a YouTube video. And I thought he's going to be great at this. He's funny, he's witty, he's got great personality. And he got on screen, he hit record, and he turned into an ABC anchorman. Well, I'm going to talk to you about video games today. And my favorite video game is, it happens to everybody. It happens to everybody. You just got to do it and you'll be relaxed and whatnot. You got to press record. You got to, and then you got to post it. I know a lot of people who've recorded a ton of content and not posted any of it. Post it. Be embarrassed. Learn from it. You will move past it. It will get easier. I am not magical. I was not born to be on camera. As people say, I've got I've got a face a face for radio and a voice for print. I'm not astounding physically or verbally or any of that kind of stuff. You know, I speak from the heart. I don't use a script. I don't use the best graphics. I don't use super high-end editing techniques. And yet on my main channel, I still have 320,000 subscribers and I do this professionally and I make really good money doing it. And I'm not trying to brag. I'm trying to help you get there too. I'm not selling a course. A like would be nice. A subscribe would be, real mensch kind of thing there. But point is this. If you don't start, you'll never get here. And I remember when I started YouTube, because I was like, oh my gosh, this is terrible. I'm getting like 10 views a video. But I knew, because I've started projects before, I knew that if I just kept doing it, that I would eventually get to the point where I had some level of success. I never dreamed I would be, over 300,000. I never thought about the fact that I was one day get a silver play button. People ask me, well, how big do you want your channel to get? I said, I don't care how big it gets, just as long as I build a good community. And I focused on that. but it all starts with pressing record. Then the next step is editing and uploading. And then you can go huddle in a corner and cry yourself to sleep. I get it. It is terrifying to put yourself out there. But if you don't put yourself out there, you'll never get there. You can't go for a walk if you never open the front door. So let me just say this. It's the holiday season. A lot of people are taking breaks. They're relaxing. This is a fantastic time. Start your YouTube journey. All right? Find your micro niche. Start posting. Post every day if you can. If you can't, at least 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Post a video. 10 minutes long. Go for 10 minutes long. 10 to 15, 8 to 15. That's kind of the sweet spot. All right? You could do shorts if you want, but good luck with shorts. Shorts are Tic Tacs. They're candy for people to eat, and they don't really pay attention. So if you make it in shorts, great. Shorts that lead to your longer form video are even better. You give somebody a tease in the short, and you go, "Here's what we're talking about. If you want to see the full, the full Monty on it, go and watch my video." That's the way you use shorts to really grow your long video. Anyway, I hope you all have a great success. I hope you all have a fabulous and very Merry Christmas. And if I could give you anything for Christmas this year, it is the motivation to upload your first video. If you want to give me something, upload your first video and link to it down below in the comments. I want to see it. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.